Would you date a foreigner between the age of 40 and 70? Do you think dating an older foreigner is different from dating an older Filipino? Just your opinion. Do you find older foreign men attractive? What's more important to you in a relationship? Love, stability, or age compatibility?
Foreign guy is so
So, okay, what are your names and ages?
Angela 19 po.
Johnny 18 po.
Miles 19.
Okay. Now, they're really young. Okay, well, the video is about that, right? Would young Filipinos date foreigners? Okay, here's the question for you, Beth. Okay, would you date a foreigner between the age of 40 and 70?
Di po. No.
No?
No din po.
Yes po.
Ooh, interesting. Two no's and one yes. Okay, let me ask you, Beth, why?
Masyado na po kasing malaki po yung gap for me.
She said because of the age gap. It's too big, the age gap. How about you, Beth?
The same thing po. Sa age gap din po.
Okay, the same thing, the age gap. But how about you, Beb? Why would you consider dating someone from 40 to 70 years old?
Why not po?
Oh, wow! Why not? Okay, give me more like specific reason why. Because it's really interesting for such a like young, beautiful Filipina. So why?
Um, Back then po, I also consider po na to find foreigner up like
Why? Why before you were considering looking for, a foreigner?
for siguro po new experiences.
Experiences. Okay, you want to experience something new, and what else?
Um, try, ano?
That's it. Just something new. Okay. Do you know anyone like a family member or friends that is in a relationship with a foreigner?
Yes,
Oh, that's why. Okay. What, a family members or friend?
family. My auntie.
Your auntie. Okay, so I see. Okay, so here's the question, okay? This is for you, Bess, since you said yes. What's the oldest age you'd consider dating someone?
45.
45. So 50, no. 45 years old. Okay. Do you find older foreign men attractive?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Why? Why do you think they're attractive?
Um, for me po, matured enough.
Because they're matured, so for you, they're attractive. Ooh, okay. Have you ever had a partner before that is, older than you? What's more important to you in a relationship? Love, stability, or age compatibility?
Stability po because stability can raise a family na po. While love without stability, parang mas marami pong problems na if-face.
Okay. Love with no stability, they will have a lot of problems. They will face a lot of problems. That's what you said, right?
Yes po.
Okay. This is the problem when I have to translate because sometimes they have to talk a lot in Tagalog or in Bicol, and then sometimes I forget. After I gave birth, everything changes. Okay. I have like a old brain now. How about you, Be?
Stability din po. Kasi like, pag may stability po, like, those two will follow po. The love and
Stability because everything will follow. Love and age compatibility. Ooh, okay. And how about you, Be?
Lahat po. All.
Everything, all of the above.
Opo. Kasi pag syempre po, kahit may stability, if halimbawa may problem ka sa dun sa age compatibility, and if you you don't really love the person. Parang walang saysay rin naman po yung ano.
If you don't really love the person, it's like it doesn't make sense. Like everything doesn't make sense like that. Okay, so all of the above. Well, anyway, are you singles or do you have like boyfriends?
Single po.
Taken po.
Are you single then?
No.
Oh no, okay. But you guys are in college, right?
Yes po. First year college.
What's your name and age?
I am Angel and I am 18 years old po.
Okay, so Angel, would you date a foreigner between the age of 40 and 70?
Personally, no po. I will not. I probably won't date.
Why not?
Um, I I also like guys that are older than me. Pero ano po, for me that is way too old for me. Especially I'm not yet in my 20s or I'm not yet old enough to maybe understand how their how their brain works. And just a personal preference, I like guys that are maybe 5 years or 3 years older than me. That is way too old for me. That's
5 years. That's like the oldest you would date, 5 years older than you.
yes po.
Do you think dating an older foreigner is different from dating an older Filipino? Just your opinion.
I think there would be some difference po from just because of the difference in culture. Maybe other people might be raised differently from us, and I think that's that.
Can you give us an example? What's the difference?
For foreigners, I think they were raised from, for example, sa internet po, from I think 18 years old, they are already expected to be mature enough and to maybe move out even out of their house. And then in here po, in the Philippines, some guys prefer, or some people, not only guys po, some people prefer to just stay at home. So, like, in that matter po, I think for me po kasi, I want to be able to have my own house and like to live separately from my parents. And like for Filipino guys po or for Filipino people, it's much some people much prefer to live with their parents but for comfort din.
What's more important to you in a relationship? Love, stability, or age compatibility?
For me po, can I choose more than one or should I only choose one?
Okay, let's do one first. Which one?
I think it's love po. And also considering my age din po. Because for me, love right now is very important. Uh, what's the other options po?
Stability or age compatibility?
Okay. So, for stability po, I think I can grow more into that when I grow older. But for me po, I think I am also a very stable person na po. I can also find ways to live on my own without a partner. So it's very important din po for my partner to love me equally as how I love him.
What's your names and ages?
I'm Cassie po and 21 years old.
I'm Transha, 21.
You look both pretty. You're welcome. Okay, so here's the question. Would you date a foreigner between the age of 40 and 70?
40 and 70. Um,
Thinking pa siya mo.
depende.
It depends. Okay, depends to what?
Ito mo. Ay, tagom. Pwede naman. No?
How about you? Would you date a foreigner from the age of 40 to 70 years old?
It depends po how the look po. If it's it, kahit pwede ba Tagalog po.
Actually, English if you can, because our viewers are foreigners, so they would appreciate it. Like if you speak in English, you two look smart, and I guess you can do it. Okay, your answer is yes, and you too. So why is that? Like
Hindi pa ako.
one sentence.
One sentence. Why?
Why?
Why? If I love him, ma'am, of course.
Okay. If you love him, of course. And you?
Um, um, any other foreign guy po kasi, it's like parang so kind and so gentle, generous. So it depends on how we I encounter like 42 years old foreign. So, and ano ma'am, nowadays po baga ma'am, it's like parang pag if you love someone like may lahi ganon, foreign ganyan. It's parang ano, it's like wait lang ma'am.
So, what is the term in Bicol or in Tagalog?
As like parang ano ma'am, parang you're parang pagtitignan ng lahat, gano'n. Yung parang laging yung you're in the main subject kasi may foreign guy ka eh, 'di ba? It's like,
So you want the attention.
yeah, it's like hindi naman sa attention, it's like parang you have the attention na magiget kasi you have a kasamang foreign guy, ganito, ganyan. And then it's like ganun.
Okay. So they're caring like that, and then you also want the attention. That's why. Okay. Now, what's the oldest age you'd consider dating someone?
Oh.
The oldest, yung pinaka-old.
I guess 55 years old, ma'am.
Oldest na po ba yung 31?
How about from 40 to 70? What's the oldest?
For me is 45. Yeah, 45 is good though. Kasi a lot of 45 years old foreign is not like parang oldest na sila look. It's like parang ano pa sila, parang young pa din.
So what she's saying is 45 years old, they look young. Well, my husband is 45 years old and he looks young. They agreed. Okay. Yes. Okay, now this one. Do you find older foreign men attractive?
Oh yes,
Yes,
definitely
ma'am.
yes, sir. Ay ma'am, definitely yes. Because foreign guy is so
So no. Okay, what they're what?
ano na lang ma'am,
We'll edit that. What?
like a lot of foreign guys kasi ma'am so young and handsome, and then kaya minsan gusto nila magkaroon ng boyfriend ng foreign, and the lahi.
She said it's because a lot of foreigners are what did you say the term?
Lahi. What is it? What is that ba? English and lahi.
She's also after their jeans. Jeans, okay. The jeans. And you said yes, right? Why?
Ano nga ulit tong question?
The question is, do you find older foreign men attractive? The older men, do you find them attractive?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Nakikita ko po kasi sa mga foreigner pa na naman mga viewers niyo.
You can see it where?
In this place, ma'am.
Here in Naga.
In Naga and in our work, ma'am.
In your?
Work.
Oh, where do you work? Which hotel?
Moraville Hotel.
Wow, a lot of foreigners in there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. And
Okay.
Handsome foreign guys
yeah.
kami in our hotel po.
She said super handsome foreign guys. Okay. Do you think dating an older foreigner is different from dating an older Filipino?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the difference?
The ano ba? Wait, ma'am. I'm thinking, ano ba? Sorry, ma'am. No boyfriend pa kasi.
She said, sorry, ma'am, no boyfriend. So, no idea.
Yes, ma'am. No idea.
You said that.
The ano ba nun?
Ano bang terms yun?
Ano ba terms nun?
It's like parang the Filipino guys po kasi it's like 'di ba ma'am, the Filipino guys is caring din pero much older sa age nila. It's like pag 45 sila, it's like parang older na sila. The looks kasi ma'am. And in the foreign guys kasi ma'am, even they 45 years old na, they look so young, and then so handsome pa din, ganun.
She's really into the, the physical. Yeah. Okay. So what she's saying is that the Filipino guy, let's say the Filipino is 45 years old, he looks old compared to if it's a foreigner, or I mean, if he is a foreigner, the 45 years old foreigner looks young, looks younger than than the Filipino. Do you have anything to add?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, for the last one, what's more important to you in a relationship? Okay, what's more important to you in a relationship? Love, stability, or age compatibility?
Love, ma'am.
Yeah, love, mom.
Why love?
If you love someone, um, if you love someone, ma'am, na ano,
Love someone what?
ma'am, na yan.
If you love someone. How about you?
Yeah, love. Kasi, ma'am, if in a relationship, sa relationship kasi, ma'am, if you don't love someone, walang spark or something na mafe-feel yung sa RS, and no healthy and respect sa RS. So what's the point if you don't love the someone nga ganun, parang ganun.
So love because it doesn't make sense, right? That you're with someone, there's no spark, there's nothing like this. So love is important.
If you don't love someone, it's just you're using it, 'di ba? Parang use nyo lang yung person, ganun.
So if there's no love, meaning you're using that person.
Yeah, hindi naman lahat. Hindi ko naman nilalahat.
Not everyone. Okay. Now, here's the I've been thinking about this since earlier. You both singles.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been single?
5 years.
Almost 3 years po.
3 years. No suitors?
Not sure.
How about you?
I have someone I'm talking right now, but yeah, we're not in pressure naman. We take it slowly po.
Okay. Okay. Wow. So they work at Moraval Hotel. Okay. Front desk. What is that like? Not OJT, right?
No, we're regular na po.
Regular. Okay, well anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription, and also if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections